I will show you how to get the best out of your cryptocurrency journey. Let's get started with some essential tips. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, it's digital money secured by cryptography. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Sounds cool, right? But here's the kicker. Crypto is super volatile. Imagine waking up to find your investment dropped 20% overnight. Scary, huh? That's why research is crucial. Just like you'd research a car before buying, dig into a coin's technology, use case, team, and community. The more you know, the smarter your choices will be. And let's talk strategy. Set clear goals. Are you in for quick gains or the long haul? Only invest what you can afford to lose and always secure your investments. Use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and beware of scams. There you have it. Ready to explore more? Subscribe to InvestIQ and join us in our next video where we'll unlock the power of compounding in crypto investments. Thanks for watching. Your journey to financial empowerment starts here.